Introducing Furoomate Automatic Litter Box. Furoomate works intelligently and automatically after each visit from your cat, separating the dirty clumps from the clean litter and depositing them directly into a sealed waste drawer, preventing odors from spreading. Furoomate's fully modular design makes deep cleaning a fast and easy process. It disassembles in seconds for routine maintenance. Your cat will always have a pristine litter box. Furoomate is ultra safe and employs dual sensing technology to protect your cat. Automatic litter box. Furoomate feels better.